2013.
Welcome to the best 3 goals in 2013. The most beautiful goals in history, and also a great video mix that contains each of the best goals from the greatest players in history, the greatest Somalian players.
Still scoreless. The referee give them 10 yards to shoot the ball. They're set up just outside the 18. To mark them back to just outside the 6-yard line. The 10 yards to shoot, and you got to be thinking the Utah here. A man with a big foot with either foot. The touch, the shot, a goal! You gotta love these guys. This is not an expensive European soccer team. These are homegrown kids. I don't know how the players can hear the whistles in this building. احمد ممكن يلعب الكوره لعب احمد ممتاز جدا يمشي احمد على حدود منطقه الجمهور لعيب كبير قوي يا جماعه لعب احمد ممتاز هيا جول هيا جول هيا جول حلوه والله خطره. And this first half has been a nightmare, especially when things are going right, they're going right.
And his place is going crazy. Oh, look at him. He may score. Unbelievable. It's the first time I've ever seen a goalkeeper score. I know it's happened before, but not too many times.